YoCaLometer is an app created by the Technovation from India. This app aims in how many calories do a person need in their daily life. This app also has a BMI calculator and shows you what yoga asana you can do for a certain problem. Now let's get into the app. This is the first page you get when you click on the app, and it has a small note on what the app is, and we have the button which says let's go, and I'm gonna click it. And here you have a male calorie calculator. You have to give your lean factor multiplier, an activity level multiplier, and weight in kgs. If you don't know what your lean factor and activity level multiplier is, don't worry. You have a button which says multiplier just above the label which says click here to find your multiplier for lean factor and activity level, and I'm going to be clicking it. And if you click the button multiplier, you get to this page, and it has two tabular columns. One is for lean factor and another is for activity level multiplier. And if, for example, if you are a male and have 15 to 20% of body fat, you have to be inputting 0.95 as a lean factor multiplier. The same for female. And for activity level multiplier, if you are into jobs like cleaning, jogging, or working out minimum 2 hours per day, you have moderate activity level. So your multiplier is 1.65. So if you have come to know what your lean factor and activity level multiplier is, just click the button which says back to male calculator, as we came from the male calculator. I'm going to click it, and we are here. So I'm going to click the button which says next, and the very same thing, but it is a female calorie calculator. You have to be inputting a lean factor, activity level, and weight, and click the button calculate. You get this. You get a result here. And if you don't know what your lean factor and activity level multiplier is, don't worry, click the button which says multiplier. You get to this page, and if you have come to know what your multipliers are, click the button which says back to female calculator, and you're here. You have to be inputting all the three things and click the button calculate, and you have your results in the label which is just below the button multiplier. I'm gonna be clicking the next button, and here you have your BMI calculator. You have to be inputting your height, your weight, and click the button which says calculate, and your result will be showing in the label which is your BMI. And if you have gotten the results, refer it to the photo which is given here. Like if your results are 18.5 and below, you are underweight, and if your results are over 25, you are overweight. If your results are over 30, you're obese. If your results are over 40, you're morbidly obese. And this is a BMI calculator. Now I'm going to be clicking the button next. In this page, you have what asanas can be done for certain problems. We have just given 2 asanas as an example. The one is Uttanasana. It cures depression, anxiety, fatigue, and people suffering from spine injury, heart problems, or pain in joints, have back pain, should probably avoid doing Uttanasana. And we have Bhujangasana, and it helps with diabetes, lungs, opens your lungs, relieves stress and fatigue, and people suffering from stress anxiety also getting relief. People suffering from pain in neck, problems related to spondylitis, back pain should avoid doing this asana. And that's it. That's our YoCaLometer created by the Tech PHENOMS from India. Thank you.